So imagine this. You're sitting at home, sipping your coffee, and suddenly, a brand new car pulls up to your driveway. All by itself? No driver? No remote control? Just pure technology. It sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But this actually happened. The car handled merging on highways, stopping at traffic lights, avoiding pedestrians, taking turns, and even recognizing obstacles on the road, all on its own. Think about what this means for the future. No need to pick up your vehicle from the dealership. No truck delivery. Your car will literally come to you. It's convenience at a new level. Would you buy a vehicle that shows up without a human touch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Facts Factory, where we deliver reality, not rumors. But it also raises real questions. Are we ready to fully trust machines on public roads? Can AI handle every unpredictable situation? What about legal liability if something goes wrong? Tesla's FSD beta, which is currently available to select users, is not fully autonomous under legal definitions. It's classified as Level 2 autonomy. But in this real-world delivery test, the car was reportedly operating without any human inside. However, Tesla's policy still involves safety supervision, so it's possible that some remote monitoring or backup systems were active during the drive. In 2025, Tesla successfully completed what might be the world's first autonomous car delivery. A brand new Tesla Model Y drove itself from the Gigafactory in Texas to its new owner's home. For some people, getting your first car used to be a family memory, a proud moment at the showroom. Now, it might just show up at your door while you're at work. Is that exciting, or is it a little bit eerie? Everyone will have their own opinion. But what's clear is that Tesla has pushed the boundaries yet again. Love it or hate it, this delivery will be remembered as a turning point in automotive history. Roughly 30 minutes away, navigating highways, intersections, TD roads, and parking lots, all without any human intervention behind the wheel. The entire journey was powered by Tesla's full self-driving system, also known as FSD, which uses a combination of real-time AI decision-making, high-definition maps, neural networks, and a suite of sensors, including cameras, radar, and ultrasonic detectors. Let's be clear, this wasn't just a basic autopilot trip. But even with that in mind, the fact remains, a car just delivered itself. That's not a concept anymore, it's reality. This event isn't just about technology, it's about emotion too. So we want to hear from you. Would you trust a car to drive itself to your home?